ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi ta ka Orange Nissan Lumso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
Ka Sengsan Perthai National People's Party ha ka sitarik ubnai nailor arajara arpuai kala rakhi kan ma buram ye ka lengkho sngi kha ka bah nyo sansnem jong unong seng ye ka ni ka party upurno ajitok sangma ubala khlat no ha ka sautarik unai leber arajar khan reu hakarta ka bala henre phuprasnem Yakani ka jingkan ma buram la penlong ha office trai kam jong ka party ka badan hanong ba Shillong ha ka bala sakhilang da state president jong ka NPP u Dr. WR Kharlukhi u balongru u MP jong ka Raja Sabha nang tadi u James PK Sangma u MLA jong ka party bat ki wai de ki nongelam jong ka party
We do miss him a lot, our founder, because for each and every one of us it wasn't just him as the president of the NPP, it wasn't just as a former speaker of the Lok Sabha, a very tall political leader, but for each and every one of us, he was our mentor, he was our inspiration, and all of us, I'm very sure, really sorely miss him, and we remember him today with a lot of fondness. So many memories that all of us, each and every one of us must be having individually that we today remember and we cherish. I, for one, really today is a beautiful day wherein it's a moment where I recollect and I reminisce about the times that I have shared with him, and the way that he has shaped me into what I have become today. And this is a day for which I'm really very thankful to Almighty God for the kind of guidance that and the love and the inspiration that I received from our late leader. Dear friends, today, as we all know, the NPP as a party, we do not really have a fixed foundation day, a day wherein the NPP was founded. There are many different days wherein many meetings took place, but there is a lot of ambiguity in terms of what exactly was our foundation day. Therefore, it was decided in the past that by our present national president, Mr. Conrad Sangma, that we will be, along with the birth anniversary of our late leader, the 1st of September will be also marked as the foundation day of the NPP. And today I would like to congratulate and wish each and every one of our party leaders who are present here a very happy foundation day of the NPP. We've seen the party grow so much over the years, and it's been a very short span of time wherein we have achieved so much. As we all know, the party was founded in the year 2012 by our late leader. We had a very humble beginning, because immediately after the party was formed, the first elections that took place was the elections in the year 2013, wherein we contested in different states, but we were only able to win 2 MLAs in Meghalaya and 4 MLAs in Rajasthan. So that is a very humble beginning for us as a party. But we have grown from stride to stride, and today our party, within such a short span of time, we have been able to achieve the status of a national party, which is no mean feat. And it is a matter of great pride for each and every one of us as members of the NPP that NPP is one of the 8 national parties in the country. And recently, another milestone that we achieved was the inauguration of our party office in the national capital in Delhi, wherein many of us also attended that program, wherein our national office was open. And that was a dream which our founder, late P.S. Sangma, had always had in his heart, that one day the NPP will have an office in the national capital, an office which is very different from other offices. Many political parties have their offices, but this is an office specifically meant for national parties, which is given by the government of India in terms of one of the perks of being a national party, that national parties get a designated office allotted by the government of India. And that is why it was such a matter of great pride for each and every one of us. It was a fulfillment of a dream of late Mr. P.S. Sangma to have a party office in the national capital, and a matter of great pride for each and every one of us. And this is the way that we have all been able to, holding hands, been able to grow. We have been all taking our baby steps, and today we as a national party, we as a party which is running a government in Meghalaya, we as a party which is a partner in the government in Manipur, has MLAs across Nagaland and in Arunachal Pradesh, apart from these two other states. We have been, why are we growing in this steady manner? It's because the foundations of the party, they are so strong. And before me, our National General Secretary, Dr. Mehtab A. Sangma, was mentioning about how we need to have a strong foundation. And this is very important for not just any institution, but also for a political party.
To pay my respect and tribute to him for all he has done for the entire city and for the entire region and for our state. He was a visionary and a man of principles, and one of the tallest leaders from the Northeast amongst the tribal state and region. With many achievements at hand and contributions in many fields for the upliftment of our society, yet he was still a symbol of humility and charisma. We really miss our dear leader. During his later parts of this political career, the National People's Party was born, along with a few loyal aides by his side. And I would like to mention the names whom I remember, because I was not active in the party then, but I could still see them coming to our place and discussing about the formation of the party. So our dear leader, W.R. Kaluki, was there, Uncle Babet was there, Kong Toy was there, and of course Bajit and other leaders. So they were all there along with him, and now we have come this far. So I would like to thank each and every one of you for being part of this family. And we still have a very long way to go and many needs to be done, but still we have very much challenges ahead of us. No journey is easy, but when we stick together as a family, we will have nothing to fear. And the party is at its nascent stage and needs to be nurtured and given a very strong base. Yet in spite of it all, we have come this far and established ourselves as a national party, which very few parties are able to do from the Northeast. And this would not have been possible without all of you being part of the party. Hence a big thank you to all of you for sticking by the party and holding it together, no matter what the contributions are. And we will go a long way. Thanks to our senior leaders of the party, like Conrad K. Sangma, who is also the national president, then Mr. James Sangma, Thomas Sangma and Agatha Sangma, for their selfless dedication and sincerity in bringing the party this far and bringing it where we are right now.
What I realize is that national party caters to national interests. They first look for their electorate at the national level. But we might be recognized as a national party, but the heart of our leader is with the people of Northeast. So this I learned, and there is no one to protect us. We are the only people who protect ourselves. P.A. Sangma rise from a humble origin to be a towering personality in the political field of India. So my call today, like what Madam has said, that will take a pledge not only that we remain loyal to NPP, but we take a pledge that we will build a party in the Northeast so that we will be recognized at the national level.